Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be making a granola bar recipe. It is my son's first week of kindergarten. Sad. So I'm going to make him some after school snacks and we're going to make these granola bars. We've made them before, but I've never used the mix of nuts that I've had before. This was one that he requested. He picked out the trail mix. And I got this granola bar recipe from laurainthekitchen.com. The link will be down in the comments below. This is a tried and true recipe, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. So if you want to see how to make these granola bars and how they turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I first got going on measuring out my honey for my wet mixture, which I added my honey to my brown sugar and butter on a stove. And while that was melting, I went and got my oats, my flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt and mixed that together. Then I added in my trail mix. This had sunflower seeds and peanuts and cashews and raisins and little chocolate chips. And then I went and boiled my wet mixture, took it off the heat, added in the vanilla and stirred it together. And then added that to my dry mixture and then mixed that together until it was combined, or I guess all on every little piece. And then I just poured it into a 8x8 pan to make thicker granola bars, which I had lined with parchment. And then I just trimmed off the edges so it wouldn't burn. You just really needed to lift it out of the pan. Then I just put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes and let it cool for a couple of hours in front of my open window. And then I just took it out and cut it into bars. All right, so here's the granola bars. Now that they're cool, I'm gonna go ahead and sneak a little bit here and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Every time I make these, I always wonder why people go out and buy granola bars at the store. They're still really chewy with having crunchiness from the nuts, but having a nice kind of sweet, chewy texture from any raisins, and you can mix it up a million and one ways. And they just feel better because I know what's in them. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is my go-to granola bar recipe. Laura Vitale, thank you for this recipe. We really appreciate it here over at Mama Robinson's, is what we've nicknamed my kitchen. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed testing out this recipe with me and leave any comments down below with your favorite kind of trail mix. I would love to test it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future recipe testing. And I'll see you guys in my next recipe.